Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a private treaty, 6 bedroom, 5 bathroom house for sale. It is located at Coolwater Avenue, Avondale, St. Andrew. It sits on 0.41 acres and the gross floor area is 4,438 square feet. The ground floor has entrance porch, living, dining room with staircase to the upper floor, kitchen, utility room, lounge, home theater and entertainment room, guest bedroom and ensuite bathroom, staff quarters, laundry room and back porch. The upper floor has home office, study, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in clothes closet, front and rear balconies, 4 other bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 63 million or US $409.3 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.